Join me as I take on the challenge of meditating for just 5 minutes to attract abundance into my life. Let's see if it really works. Welcome to this short yet powerful meditation. In just a few minutes, you'll open the door to prosperity and align your energy with the frequency of abundance. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in. Let's begin. Take another slow, deep breath in. Hold it gently and exhale, releasing any stress or tension. Feel the weight of your body fully supported by the earth below you. Allow yourself to be present, open, and receptive. Imagine a golden light of abundance surrounding your entire being. With each inhale, this light grows brighter and warmer. With each exhale, you release any scarcity, fear, or doubt. Feel this golden light filling every cell in your body, radiating prosperity and peace. I am a powerful magnet for wealth and abundance. I trust the universe to provide everything I need and more. My thoughts and emotions align with prosperity. Money flows to me easily, effortlessly, and endlessly. I am open and ready to receive the infinite blessings of life. Everything I touch prospers and flourishes. I release all resistance to wealth and embrace my divine inheritance. My success is inevitable and fully aligned with my purpose. Abundance is my natural state. I claim it now. I walk in faith and gratitude, knowing that everything is working out for me. I'm worthy of a life filled with luxury, joy, and ease. Prosperity is a frequency I live in and broadcast to the world. I give thanks for the wealth and opportunities flowing to me now. My dreams are manifesting quickly and joyfully. I am in perfect harmony with the energy of abundance. Every breath I take draws me closer to my desires. My financial well-being expands with ease and grace. I bless and amplify every dollar I receive. My wealth is a blessing to me and to the world. Trust in divine timing and divine order for all things. Take a few moments to feel the energy of these affirmations deep in your body. Visualize your life already filled with abundance, wealth, and overflowing blessings. Feel the joy, the excitement, the gratitude, as if it's already done. Now slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Remember, abundance is your birthright, and it begins within. Listen to this meditation daily for the next 21 days and watch your life transform. If you enjoyed this experience, share your favorite affirmation in the comments below and subscribe for more abundance-focused practices. You deserve it all.